Welcome back again, SkyPilot here. A quick unpackaging of this little unit. This is the URUAV, made in China, of course. Yeah, Lipo battery tester. Link down below again, see where this came from. Pretty cheap, and if you're out in the field, a pretty handy little bit of kit to have, especially if you're not too sure which battery was flat and which wasn't. Stay tuned, let's get into it. So pretty straightforward game, just a little push snap lock seal bag with a neat little URUAV. This is the MC-6S, and if it looks small, well, it is pretty small, but pretty handy to carry out in the field. And if you do lose it, well, it's not worth $1 million, so no drama. Looking at about 3 centimeters by about 4.5 centimeters, and about 10 centimeters deep. Comes with some pretty basic, simple little instructions here, which tells you the 6 different checking functions of this unit. It tells you up here is actually a tester for your receiver if you wish to test the 2 types of receiver voltage connections. So the voltage, we can have 3.3 or 5 volt with a switch on the side there, and 6 different testing functions. So your Lipo battery voltage up to 6S, S.bus, DSM 1024, DSM 2048, ppm and PWM. Again, these specs will be down below, guys, so I won't rattle them off to you here. It's got a micro USB for power input, which I believe you need if you wish to operate the receiver functions up the top there. And the other side, there's also a USB-C type for power as well. They do make mention, pay attention to the battery polarity. So what that means, I would suggest, is down here you can see your 1 to 6 C batteries. So you've got your negative right over here. So if you grab any of these batteries and have a look at them, you'll always see a black one on one side. So I would suggest you make sure you put that black one, which is always going to be on the end of your connector. You stick that black one right by that negative, otherwise I'm afraid she may go pop pop. So having said that, we've got a couple of batteries here. We'll just run through the test. So it's simply a matter of, again, make sure you've got your black onto your negative, plug it in, and as you can see, it gives you a nice little colour display of the 3 cells there. It gives you a running total of each cell. It doesn't tell you the total out of all cells themselves, but that adding up shouldn't be too difficult, so that's pretty cool. Again, this is really good if you think one of your batteries is playing up and one of the cells is knackered. Then you can just plug it in. You can see if one of them's down to 0 and one of them's fully charged and you're balance charging it, then you know you've got a problem. So that's going to be pretty handy. What it doesn't do is the 1S batteries, and it doesn't do those, but anything up, it will show you your battery, so that's pretty cool. And it displays them on the fly as well, so whatever is actually happening at the time will be displayed at the time. The button on the side here, if you press that, it toggles you through the different modes that it has. We have the S.bus, DSW, ppm, PWM, and this is the one I'll be using the most, so pretty handy bit of kit. You can see there's something wrong with one of the cells in your battery, so we'll just plug this in, and as you guys can see, my 300 milliamp Happy Model battery here is sporting 0, 3.9 and 3.91. So one of the cells is knackered, which I already knew because she's pretty puffed up. And I've actually taken the leads off so I don't actually use this or try and charge it up, because if you do charge up a Lipo that is starting to puff out, that's actually a chemical reaction that's occurred inside, so you want to get rid of that battery pretty quick, as it may catch fire. So there you have it, gang, the MC-6S. I don't think I'll use the receiver connections too much. Obviously, if I've got a problem with my receiver, then my quad's not going to fly. However, the actual battery testing side of this thing, I'll probably use it quite a fair bit out in the field, as it's good to know what's going on with your cells if you don't have your 12 volt set up on your Emax. So that's pretty handy, nice little bit of kit. Again, check out the link down below, guys, where you can get this from, and all the specs and data on it, and if you need more information. So thanks heaps for dropping by, much appreciated. And now that I've tested my Emax batteries and found it to be fully charged, well, I'm going to go fly the Emax Babyhawk R Pro. Check out my previous videos if you want to see this bad boy in action. I'm about to go do some FPVing and have a whole lot of fun. Great stuff. Thanks for dropping by, guys. Enjoy your Christmas. Drop us a like, drop us a thumbs up. Hell, drop me a comment. Good to see you.